of Haley Wilkinson. Four trucks, 6 laps. By 2. Here they come. They'll watch them as they come off of turn number 4. Does Troy Draper, our starter, and he gives them the green flag. And on we go. And into turn number 1, it is the 26 of Nick Nicholson Jr. who has the lead, exiting turn number 2. Followed by the 62 of Cecil Howard. Then a pair of Wilkinsons going at it for 3rd and 4th, and this time it's going to be Haley Wilkinson on the outside, taking that spot away. Just briefly, taking it back as they came across the line simultaneously. The 27 of Doug Wilkinson on the inside, Haley Wilkinson up on the outside in at 35. But the 26 of Nick Nicholson Jr. holding on to the lead here. Granite Ball. Howard holding on to 2nd. And Haley Wilkinson has trouble entering turn number 1, slides through 1, comes to a stop inside of 1 and 2 at the apex. He'll get going again and we stay green. Carrying the oh so strong. Wording on the back tailgate. In honor of all of those from Oso, Washington with a tragic landslide. Now Haley on the lead lap. Has the 2 leaders in behind. She's going to pull up and let them go. Truck not handling the way she would like, so she's going to let them go. It's only the heat race. Nick Nicholson Jr. He receives the white flag. Cecil Howard in that 62 truck. Haley Wilkinson finally leaves the racetrack here before that final lap. And she heads off onto the 5/8 mile oval. Nick Nicholson. And he is going to be the first to be covered by the checkers. It will be Cecil Howard. Now is the 27 of Doug Wilkinson.